Project 2. How was the Earth formed? Introduction. Millions of years ago, our planet was a huge ball of fire. Slowly, Earth cooled down, forming layers, oceans, and continents. Since then, it has changed a lot. Mountains have risen, the ground has shaken, volcanoes have erupted, and new islands have appeared. In this project, we will be explorers of Earth's geological past. We will discover how our planet was formed, what lies beneath our feet, and why Mexico is a land of volcanoes and earthquakes. Reading. The breathing Earth. Imagine a giant orange floating in space. Inside, it has hot parts, different layers, and a skin that sometimes moves. That's the Earth. Beneath the ground we walk on, there is burning hot rock. Sometimes it cracks, pushes up, or slides. Then the Earth shakes or spits out fire. It's not angry, it's just alive inside. In Mexico, there are sleeping volcanoes and active ones, like Popocatépetl. We also feel earthquakes because our country sits where Earth's plates meet. Even though they can be dangerous, these forces have shaped the landscapes we admire. Scientific exploration. Earth's layers. 1. Crust, the thinnest layer where we live. 2. Mantle, hot rock that moves slowly. 3. Outer core, liquid layer made of metals like iron. 4. Inner core, solid, very hot metal. Activity. Draw or make a model of Earth's layers using clay, cardboard, or other materials. Volcanoes of Mexico. Mexico is in the Pacific Ring of Fire, an area with a lot of volcanic activity. Some important volcanoes. Popocatépetl active. Iztaccíhuatl dormant. Paricutin born in 1943 in Michoacán. Nevado de Toluca. What are tectonic plates? The Earth's crust is divided into large blocks called tectonic plates. They float on the mantle and move very slowly. When they crash together or pull apart, they can cause earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, mountain or crack formation. Mexico is located where the Cocos Plate, the North American Plate, and the Pacific Plate meet, which is why there are so many movements. Activities. 1. Reading comprehension. Why do we say the Earth breathes? Which layer do we walk on every day? What happens when tectonic plates move? Which volcano was born in recent times? 2. Creative writing. Imagine you are a rock deep inside the Earth. Write a story. How were you formed? What did you see when you were created? Where are you now? How do you feel when the Earth moves? 3. At-home experiment, volcanic eruption. Materials. 1 small cup. 1 tray. Baking soda, vinegar, red food coloring, liquid soap. Instructions. 1. Put baking soda into the cup and place it on the tray. 2. Add a few drops of soap and food coloring. 3. Pour in vinegar and watch. 4. You will see foamy lava erupt. Question, which part of a volcano does this experiment represent? 4. Earth math. 1. Earth's radius is 6,371 km. How many kilometers is half of that? 2. If Earth has 4 layers, what fraction is each layer if they were the same thickness? 3. If a volcano sends ash 5,000 meters high, how many kilometers is that? 4. Popocatépetl is 5,426 meters tall. How much taller is it than a 3,200-meter mountain? 5. Geography activity. Draw or mark on a map. Active and dormant volcanoes in Mexico. States with the most seismic activity: Guerrero, Oaxaca, Mexico City, Jalisco. Tectonic plates around Mexico. Evaluation. Self-assessment. I understood Earth's layers. I identified Mexican volcanoes. I did an experiment. I know the seismic zones of my country. I wrote from the point of view of a rock. Peer review. Did my classmates share clear ideas? Did they participate safely in the experiment? Did they help with the map or model? Final product. Inside the Earth. Each team can present models of Earth's layers, volcano maps, rock stories, live experiments, posters about what to do during an earthquake,